Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial you'll be learning how to trade bull market, and if you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. So this is Deriv Traders Hub. So as you can see here, we have Deriv Traders Hub, and here we have a menu. So if you are not on the Traders Hub, you can just tap that menu and then you proceed to select Traders Hub, so that you will land here, and the next option that you'll select is Deriv Trader. So select that one, and then you should be able to land on accumulators. So after landing on accumulators, you just scroll sideways. You just scroll sideways and then select high and lows. So we'll be trading high and low on that bull market. And there is a reason as to why we select bull market. It is because when it starts to climb, it will continue climbing, and that is the opportunity that we want to utilize. So here, as you can see, we have the chart, and if you are not on this chart, you can just change it here. You just tap on this to change to candles. So the first thing you need to do is select 1 minute, and then after doing that, select candle, and here we have the candle, and you can just enlarge it. You just tap here, and then you can drag down or up. That way you can enlarge or minimize this chart. So I will enlarge it, and as you can see, this is the chart. You can see it is climbing. So what you can do on the bull market, it has a high profit on higher, and that profit is what we want to be utilizing. As you can see, when you use this tech, you get this amount of profit. Let me enter $1 so that you can see. So this is $1. You can see the amount of return that you can get, and this is only for 5 ticks. So make sure you set 5 ticks, and then you just wait this market when it is climbing. Like now, I just wait for a bit, and then I will climb with it. So remember that you can lose, but the amount of profit that you are able to get is a lot. So you just wait for it to reverse a little bit, and then you enter. That way you just have a chance of winning, and you will recover a lot. So as you can see, I just won 2 times, and you can see how the balance has just risen. So make sure that when the market is moving up, that is the time that you enter. So here you have high chances of winning a lot of money, and the risk, when you compare it to the risk, it is less. So this is an opportunity, guys. If you do not have an account, create right now. Utilize this opportunity before the review notices, so that you can make a lot of money. And if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. So this is a working strategy that everyone can just utilize. So thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section.